Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about whether non-US residents can use Fidelity Investments. The short answer is, generally, no. Fidelity's product and service offerings for people residing outside the United States are very limited. Unfortunately, they do not open new accounts for customers who reside outside the U.S. There are specific exceptions for U.S. citizens living abroad who may be able to maintain existing accounts, but even then, services are often restricted. For those who are not U.S. citizens and do not reside in the U.S., Fidelity is not an option for opening a new investment account. This is due to a combination of U.S. regulations and international laws. However, it is important to note that there is a separate entity called Fidelity International. This is an independent company from Fidelity Investments in the U.S., and it serves clients in various countries outside of the United States. If you are a non-U.S. resident looking to invest with a Fidelity brand, you should look into Fidelity International to see if they offer services in your country of residence. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.